Hi class, today we're going to use the cube strategy to help solve word problems. So the cube stands for C, you're going to circle the numbers, the important numbers. U, you're going to underline the words, important words or the action words. B, you're going to box the question. E, you're going to eliminate information, unnecessary information. And S, you're going to solve and check the problem. So let's start with 1. Word problem number 1. Anna ate 6 cookies. Samantha ate 4 more cookies. How many cookies did Samantha eat? So, going off of our cube strategy, you're going to circle the important numbers. So we got 6 and 4 are important numbers. Then we're going to underline the important words or the action words. So 8 and more. So how many more? It's an important word. And then we're going to box the question. So how many cookies did Samantha eat? And then we're going to eliminate unnecessary information. Well, in this one there really isn't unnecessary information. And then the last one is we're going to solve and check. So if we look at this, it's an addition one because Samantha ate 4 more than Anna. So what we'll do is we'll start with 6. I'm going to add 4 more to that to get a total of 10. So that means Samantha ate a total of 10 cookies. Now, word problem number 2. Michael rode his bike 7 miles to the library. He took a shortcut on the way home that was 5 miles long. How many miles did Michael ride altogether? Alright, looking at a cube strategy, remember, we're going to circle the important numbers. So that means we're going to circle 7 and 7 miles long and 5 miles long. We're going to underline the important. He rode, so underline the important words or the action words. So he rode his bike 7 miles to the library, and then he took a shortcut home that was 5 miles long. We're going to box in our question, which is how many miles did Michael ride altogether? We're going to eliminate. We don't really have to have all the way on the way. And then lastly, we're going to solve it. So remember, he rode 7 miles to the library, and on the way back he took a shortcut on the way home. And you want to know how many he rode all together. So it's going to be an addition problem. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Michael rode a total of 12 miles altogether. And our last problem. 14 elephants entered the ring for the first show. After the show, 6 elephants left. How many elephants were still in the ring? So look at our cube strategy. Remember, we're going to circle our numbers. So we got 14 elephants and 6 elephants. We're going to underline the important words or action words. So we got elephants entered the ring at the start. And after the show, there were only 6 elephants left. We're going to box in our question. So how many elephants were still in the ring? We're going to eliminate the unnecessary information. So at the first show. And we're going to solve and check. Now, when we talk about this, we're talking about how many elephants were left at the end, which means a subtraction. So 14 minus 6 equals 8, which means there were 8 elephants left in the ring.